Hello everyone, and welcome back to Electro Tech 5. Are you one of those adventurous or travel vloggers? Are you looking for the best camera for adventure? Well, come sit with us today as we talk about the best action cameras for you. First, let's talk about the Insta360 RS 1-inch 360 edition. It is the unbeatable 360-degree image quality in a compact device that's ready to go anywhere. With an interchangeable lens design, it's ultra versatile and upgradable too. This camera is co-engineered with Leica. Leica brings its legendary expertise in optical design and state-of-the-art imaging at 360-degree cameras. The 1-inch 360 lens must be assembled vertically, while the 360 lens is recommended to be assembled horizontally. The 1-inch 360 lens also has dual 1-inch sensors, meaning it can capture more light per pixel for better dynamic range, superb low light performance, and less noise. The 1-inch 360 lens can capture 6K footage, while the 360 lens can capture 5.7K footage. Next up on our list is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro is one of the most popular action cameras there is. The Hero 10 Black from GoPro adds more speed, performance, touch control responsiveness, and higher frame rates, rounding out this full-featured action camera. The front display, which in the previous Hero model showed status information, is now larger at 1.4 inches and offers a live view, allowing you to frame shots for vlogging and similar uses. The Hero 10 Black has a built-in flip-out 2-prong mount on the bottom, so you can easily attach it to large series of mounting accessories available from GoPro for all your applications, whether extreme sports or live streaming on Facebook. It offers multiple optional add-on mods such as the Mac Lens mod that allows you to add an ultra-wide 155-degree angle of view to assist in hyper-smooth stabilization. With social media in mind, the camera also lets you switch into portrait mode to capture images in the format ideal for platforms such as Instagram. Number 3 on our list is the Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is built to adapt action. It highlights key moments with cinematic slow-mo or speed things up with a stabilized hyperlapse. ONE R supports HDR capture for photo and video that also highlights shadows and everything in between that comes across just as you see them. It transforms on the fly from a 360 cam to a 4K 60 frames per second wide-angle shooter. You'll always have the right tool to capture the action. The Dual Lens 360 mod raises the bar with super 5.7K resolution, leveraging H.265 encoding, advanced image processing, and an AI-powered finishing algorithm to preserve detail and make your footage pop. Your footage stays clear and steady even in low light because of the new scene detection algorithm. No drone? No problem! ONE R's invisible selfie stick feature lets you capture easy aerial angles and unique third-person perspectives with a flick of the wrist while using the Dual Lens 360 mod. ShortLab makes creative edits easy. A continuously updated range of smart templates walk you through the latest 360-degree camera techniques and automatically masters your edit. For number 4, we have the Akaso Brave 8. Brave 8 is a waterproof camera that is built for the next level image quality. The Akaso Brave 8 features a powerful half CMOS image sensor and quad pixel technology teamed with a unique 9-layer array of glass lenses, which allows you to capture every special or stunning detail of your next adventure. What's cool about this camera is its AI that detects human faces for optimal exposure effect in portrait recording. It has very powerful effects that various shooting modes make it all realize in rich details and vivid clarity with 4K 60 FPS. You can also slow down the ever-changing moment and bring every frame to life with Super 16x slow-mo feature. You also don't have to worry about the battery. With an upgraded 1550 mAh battery, this action camera supports video recording in 4K up to 19 minutes. And lastly, let's talk about the DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 isn't just ultra powerful, it's also the most dynamic and innovative action camera. The innovative magnetic design lets you effortlessly swap out accessories as you capture life on the go. From parkour to park walks, break the mold with DJI Action 2. This camera is a rise and steady that keeps your footage level no matter how wild the action gets. From go-karting to dirt biking, DJI's built-in stabilization algorithm detects and corrects camera shake and rotation in real time. The lightweight aluminum alloy body has a sleek, minimalistic look with a smooth and solid feel. Also, the shape and angle of the lens has been carefully considered for optimal performance and beauty. How about you guys? Do you know about any action cameras that you'd like to share with us in the comment section below? We'd love to hear your thoughts. And that is it, everyone. This is the list of the best action cameras this 2023 that our team has pulled up just for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Once again, this is ElectroTech5 signing out.